What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great day. So today I have a really interesting video that I think you guys might like. Now originally when I got the 240 I was going to wrap the roof black and call it a day until I saw a video of a guy painting a guitar and he made like a galaxy theme. And that really stuck to me because I'm going with the whole galaxy theme with this car. Not really a theme that I'm going with, but I like galaxy. For example, I have this wheel which is like a glitter galaxy effect and I really like that. And so instead of wrapping the roof black, I'm just going to be painting it black and throwing in some glitter because who doesn't like glitter, right? Since I have a few little dents in my roof, I'm going to have to put some Bondo, fill those up, get them nice and straight because once I paint it black, you're going to be able to see the dents more. So there's a tiny dent here, you can't really see it, but when you stand back, you can see there's a little like imperfection, a little dimple right there. And there's a pretty big one right here. Now this one might be a little harder to try and body fill because there's a body line right here that I have to kind of follow. But it should be a fun little weekend project. So I'm going to be painting the roof black with glitter. And then I'm just going to be painting this black again just so it looks nice, but no glitter. And then I'm also going to be painting these black with no glitter. Just everything's going to get painted except for this trim right here just because I like the way this is. And then the glitter is just going to be on the top piece, nothing else. For the Bondo to dry, I'm going to be removing these B-pillar trim pieces and sand them down, that way I can paint them, because as you can see the plastic itself, it has some texture to it now, so that's going to need to be sanded down so it's nice and smooth, that way it doesn't look all wrinkly like this. And for that, it's just a Phillips screw right here in the bottom. Once you have the screw out, you just push down, out and down, and it comes off. I already took it off, I just wanted to show you guys. And then now you always want to get your screws and put them back, that way you don't lose them. At least this is what I do. There you go, just like that. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. There you go. Now that I got the roof pretty straight, now I'm going to be cleaning all this off, that way I can go ahead and start to mask everything off. I did hit this piece a little bit right here, but I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is because I'm pretty sure I can get a new OEM one that's nice and black and it'll look better than spraying it black, because with spraying it black it's gonna come out with a little bit of orange peel. That's the only reason why I'm not really painting this. Yes, I know you could get orange peel out, but it's not gonna be as good as this. This is literally like the glass, like there's no orange peel whatsoever at all. So I think I'm just gonna end up buying this. Car is pretty much masked up. I didn't do the whole entire car just because I don't think I'll need to, since I'll be spraying kind of close, but I'll see. If I need more, then I'll put a little bit more. But I have to kind of hurry up because it's going to be getting windy in a few hours. So I only have a few hours to actually finish this. So that's gonna be kind of challenging, but it should be doable. Now I am doing this outdoors, obviously, so I am gonna get some debris in there regardless. So that's just kind of what you have to deal with. But I'm going to be wet sanding and buffing it, so hopefully it comes out pretty decent. And regardless, it'll look better than my faded roof. I already had that right there. That's like the primer showing through, and then it was just red. But there was clear that was a little bit here, and there was no clear on the rest of it, so it looked orange. So regardless, even if it's just black, it'll still look better. Even if it looks like this, it'll still look better than that. So it's going to come out good enough, but I'll update you guys right now. this right here is what we ended up using. I believe I got this at Michael's. It's the extra fine glitter. There's bigger specs, but there's the extra fine. So I got purple, pink, and I got purple, and I got baby blue. But I'm starting to think that maybe a darker blue would have been a little better, and maybe a different color because these two are very similar. But these two colors combined look really cool. But you literally get it and just mist it on top. And now I'm gonna spray some clear and hope that it actually sticks and doesn't just fly away with the pressure of the aerosol can. Alright guys, so I just finished with one coat of clear. So originally I taped these up on the side. That way I didn't get any glitter on here, and that way these could be just black. The glitter was originally gonna be over here. I think I already mentioned that in the video, but I took those off since I'm not gonna be adding any more glitter. And now I cleared everything, so the top has one layer and these pieces on both sides have one layer. And just check that out. I still have to wet sand and buff it so it'll look better, but I'll probably do that in a different video. That way this video isn't too long. But you see, this is just black, and then there's the glitter. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Now in person, it doesn't look like I thought it was gonna look. I thought it was gonna look like little trash. I'd show you guys my steering wheel, but my car is all taped up. But on the same thing on that one, I thought that it would look like little specks of like trash, but it actually looks like glitter, and so does this in person. The glitter is not like perfectly done. Like right here, there's a lot of blue, there's a lot of purple right here. There's a big like bunch right here of pink, purple, and blue, like little bunches. And me personally, I think it looks cooler that way because it looks like the actual galaxy. Like it's not perfectly, like they're perfectly plotted on. Like there's little bunches, and then there's like some spread out, and there's some dark spots, like some dark spots here. There's a dark spot here that we were talking about right now. And I just personally think it looks cool because it looks more kind of real. It's not supposed to be actual like galaxy, full-on galaxy with like stars and stuff, but it's just a little, I call it the galaxy thing. But yeah, this is one coat of clear. I did it kind of light. I should have done it a little heavier, but I'm gonna do the rest pretty heavy. That way it gives it that nice shine, the gloss. All right, so this is what it's looking like with two coats. As you can see on this piece right here, it looks a lot shinier, and that's because I did a two very heavy coats on the side, and on the top I did one light coat and one heavy-ish coat. But I'm gonna wait. Ideally, you'd want to paint it all at the same time and then wet sand and buff, but I don't have any more clear at the moment, so I'm just gonna let it cure, dry really good, and then I'll probably wet sand and buff it, and then I'll do another coat sometime in the future. But even like this looks so much better than with what my roof used to look like with the faded clear and everything. It used to look like my trunk, so I like to think that this looks way better. Now I would do this on my trunk. The only issue is a black trunk, in my opinion, on a 240 at least, does not look good. So that's why I'm just sticking to the roof and the 8 pillars. Alright guys, so it's finally done, and I personally think it came out way better than I was actually anticipating. But man, does this thing look insane. So I also have to put these on. I have these drying right now. But I painted those just gloss black with some 2K clear, so it looks just like this right here. Now there is some orange peel, but I'm going to be getting rid of that. In the next video I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that. I'm also going to be doing it on the roof. I'm going to be wet sanding and buffing it, just to make sure it's even nicer, because as you can see it's a bit foggy, but that's what you get with any aerosol can. But just look at this, guys. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but I'm gonna post some pictures right now. But it looks a world of difference. Like, not even the glitter, just the black itself. The red with the black on top. I've always wanted to do that ever since I got the car, but my original plan was to wrap it, not paint it. But you know what, I said screw it, I'm gonna just paint it. If it comes out bad, I could always wrap it. So here we are, painted it. It looks really weird without these, but once those are on, it's gonna look really nice. Like I said, I'm gonna be getting new ones of these. That's why I didn't paint these. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. And all this, I want to say the paint, I'm just going to quickly add it up. The paint was 20 bucks, primer and paint. I believe for these I paid like $5 each. No, not even $5 each. I think it was like 10 bucks for all of them. Plus I got something else, so it's even cheaper. And then the clear was the most expensive part. I decided to go with 2K clear just because 2K clear is like a more like automotive clear, and it's just stronger and it's harder. But you can get a cheaper clear and it might be cheaper, but I recommend picking up the 2K clear, and that was, I believe, $27 a can. So that was the more expensive part, but you don't even need that. And obviously I had to sand it and stuff to get rid of the little dents I had, but man, for under $100 you can get a Galaxy roof. So now I have my Galaxy roof to match my Galaxy style wheel. So the interior of this car, she's pretty much done. She's looking nice and minty. The outside is pretty much done. All I need next that I'm gonna probably be getting, which might take a little while, is a body kit, and then I think this car is pretty much done and ready for paint, and then it'll be at its final form. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful, and if you guys have any questions, put it down in the comment section below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Now I want to see you guys do this on different things, not just the roof, valve covers, a bunch of different stuff, and I want you guys to send me pictures on my Instagram. So I'm really looking forward to see how you guys get creative with this whole trick, because I know this is a pretty cool looking effect. But with that being said, peace out guys.